Okay, what if I told you I'm making money turning simple product images into high converting Instagram reels and TikToks without models, without photo shoots, without expensive cameras? So, this is exactly how I work with boutiques. I take their photos they already have, I transform them into scroll stopping videos that actually sell. So, no more paying for models, no more long photo shoots, no more complicated editing. This is so simple and it is a game changer and very profitable for passive income. So, using FlexClip and AI, I turn images into motion based content that drives traffic, boosts conversions, and gets boutique real results. And I get paid for it. That's the best thing about this. So, whether it's Reels or TikTok, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your images into viral short form videos, sell the service to boutiques, and build a simple AI powered income stream. So if you drop a comment below, I'll get you a private link for all my freebies and all my courses that I offer for free. So if you want to make money with AI without being on camera or hiring anyone, this is the system you've been waiting for. So let's jump in. I'll show you how it works. Okay, first things first, go to flexclip.com/AI. We'll have a link below that you can grab and get a discount on that also. But this is where you're going to go. You've got all different options here: AI to image to video, video background, you name it, whatever you want, they're going to have. But it's going to be all under this AI tools. So it's got a section for video, a section for images, and even AI voice cloning. So if you're looking for something similar to 11 Labs, it does that. So you can see the supported models: Sora 2, VO3, Nano Banana, Pro. So GPT-4, Seedream, and so there's a lot of different ones that are in here. Kling AI, but you can see the highlighted ones: VO3, Nano Banana, Pro. Those are our typical that we use quite often. So we also use Flux, but understand, to get these models, build the model and do the AI separately is a lot of work. So when you use FlexClip, it does everything for you, like restoration photo. We had some images that were very blurry, and we took that image and we were able to take it and recreate the same image for the boutique, and we get paid for that. So that's what's so cool about this. You can offer the service, go into a website, redo all their images, because what these boutiques do, they'll take an image and they will just basically take it from the website of the vendor. And so all the boutiques got the same images. Instead of doing something that looks real, professionally shot in a cinematic type studio shot, and some of them just look incredible. So you can take a product with describe the model, and then put that on a model, including a whole outfit if you want. That's what these boutiques do. They typically lay out a whole outfit to get ideas to sell that outfit. But this takes all the guessing out. The boutique owners love this. So the pricing is very reasonable for this. You get so many credits, and so it only costs you, for the annual is $11.99 for per month. So you get 3,600 credits. We've had like 15,000 credits to start, and we haven't even tapped into that hardly. And we've done a ton of different things with this. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you the back end and show you what we just did with some other photos here. So here's an actual website. This particular store had these shoes, so we were able to recreate this unbelievable look here and put these shoes onto a model. The other one was this hat with these other shoes. Another one was this swimsuit. They just had it laid out on a table, not on a model. We were able to put this into an onto an actual model. And so you can see that what we can do with this is just unbelievable. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And it's super, super easy. So we're in FlexClip in the back end. You can create videos. Like I said, we just click on AI tools. And for the boutique situation, we use this AI text to image. And we can take an image or a product, and let me just show you how easy this is to do. And then once we create that image, we can create it into a moving image or a short video so that they can put it on their website. So we just go in here and we let this load. This is our prompt. We're using Google Nano Banana Pro. That's a lot to say. You can see all the ones that we can get here. So we want 1080p for the best resolution, and we're using this top one up here. So the nice thing about Nano Banana, you can put in 10 images, but we're just going to give it a quick prompt here, and then we're going to drop in the images that we want. And I'll show you a couple different things that we can do with this. So here's a good example. Boutique will just put a belt on there, but if you put this belt on an individual with maybe a hat of theirs or something like that, it's a game changer selling multiple products. So we're going to take this belt because that's all they have, and we'll take these boots here. We're going to copy this image, and then we'll take maybe a dress with this. Okay, so we're back in here, and we're going to take, and we're just, the prompts can be so simple or however you want to do it. You could even go into ChatGPT and have them help you with it. Okay, so now you just do a simple prompt. Place this dress. So we got a couple pictures of the dress. They don't have to be high resolution images. I just copy and pasted them from their website. Belt. So we got the belt and the boots. So we got a dress, belt, and boots. We could even do a hat. Let's grab a hat real quick. Okay, we'll just say cowgirl hat. So we've got our images in here, and here's what's important is you want 1080p, and then the image count is going to be, we're going to do 4, and the ratio or the, we don't need that. We got the ratio here. We'll probably do 16:9, or I'm gonna keep it auto so it gives it a nice boutique look, or 1:1. We'll just do auto, and then we're gonna click generate. We're just gonna allow a few minutes here, and it's gonna kick this out. Let me just pause this. Okay, that took about 60 seconds, and check it out. This one's great. I like this. It's got the boots, but you can't really see them. This girl's way too young. And then she's too young, and I like this one here. So different length hair, but you got the boots, you got the belt, you got a hat in there, and the dress. So we took that dress, and it looks just like that, and those boots to a T, and that belt. So we'll select the product that we wanted. We're going to upload some new images because this is all they have. We're going to add the media. And then we go in here into download. Now we got the image in there. And now check this out. We'll go to that product. And now when we hover over it, we have this image there with that belt. So that's how cool this software is. It's so easy to use, and we can even take one of these images and turn it into a video. So there's more tools here. And so AI image to video, all you do is click on it, and it's going to automatically convert it. So We're just going to say walking in a field gracefully. And let's just grab that image. Okay, while that's loading, we can take and add the other image in here with the boots. And we're going to save this. And then it's saved. Let's view it, check it out. And now when you go to this product, you've got the boots on her. No photo shoots, nothing of the sort. So that's what's so cool about this is it's so easy to do this and you don't have to worry. So if we go to shoes now and boots, here's the beauty of this is when we hover over this, you've got the boots on a model here. So that's what's really unique about this, because what we've got here is just the boots, and yeah, it's got a model with them, but you can't really see what they look like. People want to see it on. That's what really makes this. And let me just show you the video that we just created with this. So now we've got a video that we can bring into the site and actually download that and put that as an image for the belt. So that's what's so cool. You can make money with this. And a lot of people don't know how to use AI. They don't know easy solutions. So this is one that you can start selling to boutiques.